Are you tired of playing table tennis on a flimsy or unstable table? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Glimness Ping Pong Paddle Set. Let's kick things off with the Glimness Ping Pong Paddle Set, priced at just $19.99. What really caught my attention here is the premium quality of the paddles, made from 7 layers of poplar wood and featuring a soft sponge that enhances ball speed and control. If you want a solid set for casual games or family fun, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this set can really solve your ping pong problems. The inverted rubber design means you get excellent control and rotation, which is crucial when you're trying to impress friends or improve your game. With over 4,000 sales in the past month, it's clear that many are turning to this set for their ping pong needs, and it delivers on performance. Plus, the ergonomic handle ensures comfortable gripping during those long matches, which is a must when you're aiming for victory. However, let's address a common complaint. Some users noted that the paddles feel a bit lighter than expected. Here's the thing. While this might not suit everyone, it actually makes them easier to handle for beginners or kids just getting into the sport. This set is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable way to introduce the fun of table tennis to family or friends. However, skip this one if you're a serious player looking for top-tier competition gear. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more portable, the next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. FB Sport Ping Pong Paddle Set. Let's talk about the FB Sport Ping Pong Paddle Set, which goes for $21.99. What intrigued me about this set is its retractable net feature, making it super convenient for on-the-go fun. If you want versatility for indoor and outdoor games, this might just be your best bet. What's great about the FB Sport set is that the net extends up to 5.25 feet, allowing you to set it up on almost any table, whether it's at home or during a picnic. It's lightweight and easy to install. Just clamp it down and you're ready to play. Plus, the paddles are made of solid wood with a rubber surface that enhances spin and control. This is crucial for those looking to level up their game without breaking the bank. With over 3,000 sales recently, it's clear that people love this convenience. However, some reviews mentioned that the net could slip during intense rallies. Here's my take. While that can be frustrating, it hasn't deterred most users from enjoying the overall experience, especially if you're just having fun with friends. This is perfect for you if you enjoy playing table tennis anywhere, anytime. But if you're serious about competitive play, you might find this set a bit lacking in stability. Overall, given the features, it's a great value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize quality. Product number 3. EULA Training 3-Star Table Tennis Balls, something a little different. The EULA Training 3-Star Table Tennis Balls available for $13.60 for a pack of 12. This caught my eye because these aren't just any balls. They're designed for both competition and recreational use. If you need high-quality balls that can handle serious play, this is worth checking out. These 40+ millimeter balls are ITTF regulation size and weight, which means they're perfect for both practice and official matches. They deliver superior bounce and spin, which is essential for honing your skills or competing at a higher level. EULA has been a trusted brand for over 60 years, and their reputation speaks volumes, especially since over 2,000 packs have sold recently. The durability and performance of these balls are just what you need to elevate your game. However, it's worth noting that some users felt the balls didn't last as long as they expected. Here's the thing. While they're not indestructible, the quality you get for the price makes it a non-issue for most casual players. This is ideal for you if you're looking to stock up on quality ping pong balls for practice or casual play. But if you're an advanced player looking for something ultra durable, you might want to explore other options. That said, the value here is fantastic. Now, if you're in the market for a complete set that's easy to take anywhere, keep watching because the next product might be just what you need. Product number 4. JP Winlook Ping Pong Paddle Set. Let's take a look at the JP Winlook Ping Pong Paddle Set priced at $37.99. This caught my attention because it comes with everything you need for a good game, including a premium case for easy storage and transport. If convenience and quality are your priorities, this set is definitely worth your time. This set includes 4 high-quality paddles and 8 professional-grade balls, all designed for players of all skill levels. The paddles feature a flared ergonomic handle for comfort and control, while the durable wood construction ensures they last through many matches. With over 1,000 sets sold, it's evident that this combination appeals to families and serious players alike. The medium soft bounce sponge gives you the feel and spin you need to compete or just enjoy a casual game. That said, I did find one downside. Some users mention that the paddles can feel a bit heavy for younger players. Honestly, while that could be a concern, the weight does provide stability and control that many players appreciate. This is perfect for you if you want a complete set that caters to both beginners and advanced players. However, if you're looking for something ultra lightweight for kids, you might want to look elsewhere. For the quality provided, it's a good value. Now, if you want a top-notch portable option, stick around because the final product is a fantastic choice. Product number 5, Pro Spin Portable Ping Pong Set, priced at $59.99. What drew me in here is the ability to turn virtually any table into your ping pong arena within seconds. If you want a truly portable solution for game time, look no further. The retractable net is super easy to set up and fits securely on tables up to 72 inches wide. You get 4 paddles, 6 balls, and a convenient carrying case, making it perfect for family gatherings or trips. The paddles are crafted from solid wood with responsive sponge and smooth rubber, which creates a fantastic playing experience. With over 800 units sold recently, the set is gaining traction among families looking to enjoy quality time together. However, a few customers mentioned that the net can be a bit tricky to adjust initially. Here's the deal. Once you get the hang of it, the ease of use far outweighs the initial learning curve, especially when you're having fun with family. This is great for you if you want a fun, portable game set that can be used anywhere, but if you're strictly a competitive player looking for high-end equipment, you may want to invest in something more specialized. For family fun though, this offers excellent value. So there you have it, 5 fantastic options for ping pong tables and accessories. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Pro Spin Portable Ping Pong Set because it offers the best combination of convenience and quality for family fun. On the other hand, I'd suggest avoiding the Glimness set if you're looking for something more serious and high-end.